Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Bizon GPU benchmark tool to test any LLMs against different GPUs, and you can compare them online and see the performance and difference between them. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the website and we're going to copy paste all these commands. One by one, you're going to be copying and pasting it in your terminal and it's going to complete. So we're gonna do here is once you open the app with that command, with the last command here, the app will open, and what you can do is you can select the model you're gonna run. In this case, I'm running GPT OSS, and then you can write a prompt if you want, or leave it as this. You can set how many times you want to run it, so it can run for longer and see the GPU how it performed. Or you can just run, and once you click run, it's gonna run the GPU on the back end, and it's gonna create a submission to the website. So you can see here we got 106 tokens per second on that particular model, and then we can go to GPU comparison, and it's gonna open the website where you can see the GPU that was run. So in this case, we run the RTX 6000. It gives us 106 tokens per second, and you see the performance of the GPU. I mean the power of the GPU, utilization, and so on. When you have more GPUs and there's more GPU in the data, then you can select the different models, select the GPU A, and you can compare up to 4 GPUs together. So you can select another one in case there's more, and then you're gonna have different numbers, so you can see which GPU is better than the other one for that particular model.